DIY hair masks, hydrate and repair like a pro. Title: DIY hair masks, hydrate and repair like a pro. Introduction: 100 words. Maintaining healthy and lustrous hair is a pursuit many of us strive for. However, the constant exposure to environmental pollutants, heat styling tools, and chemical treatments can leave our hair dry, damaged, and lacking vitality. Fortunately, there's a natural solution that can help restore your hair's shine and health: DIY hair masks. Section 1: Understanding hair damage, 200 words. Before we delve into the world of DIY hair masks, it's essential to understand the factors that contribute to hair damage. Heat styling tools, such as straighteners and curling irons, strip the hair of its natural moisture and weaken the hair shaft. Chemical treatments, including coloring and perming, can also leave your hair fragile and prone to breakage. Environmental factors, such as pollution and UV radiation, further strip the hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry and dull. By addressing these issues, DIY hair masks can nourish the hair, promote repair, and restore its natural shine. Section 2: The benefits of DIY hair masks, 300 words. 1. Natural ingredients. One of the primary advantages of DIY hair masks is the use of natural ingredients, which are free from the harmful chemicals found in many commercial hair products. This ensures that your hair receives the purest form of nourishment. 2. Customization. DIY hair masks allow you to tailor the ingredients according to your specific hair type and concerns. Whether you have dry, oily, or damaged hair, you can create a hair mask that suits your needs perfectly. 3. Cost-effective. Homemade hair masks are an affordable alternative to expensive salon treatments. You can utilize ingredients readily available in your kitchen, making it a cost-effective option for our hair repair and maintenance. 4. Hydration and nourishment. DIY hair masks are packed with nourishing ingredients that hydrate the hair and replenish essential nutrients, promoting overall hair health. These masks help in restoring the moisture balance, leaving your hair soft, smooth, and manageable. Section 3: DIY hair mask recipes, 800 words. Now, let's explore some effective DIY hair mask recipes that will help you achieve salon-like results. 1. Avocado and coconut oil mask. Avocado is rich in fatty acids, and coconut oil is known for its deep moisturizing properties. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey. Method: mash the avocado in a bowl until smooth. Add coconut oil and honey. Mix well. Apply the mixture to damp hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 30 minutes and rinse off with lukewarm water. 2. Honey and yogurt mask. Honey acts as a natural humectant, trapping moisture in the hair, while yogurt adds shine and improves hair strength. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of honey, 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Method: in a bowl, combine honey and yogurt. Apply the mixture to damp hair, ensuring full coverage from root to tip. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse off with a mild shampoo. 3. Banana and olive oil mask. Bananas are packed with vitamins and minerals that promote hair growth, while olive oil helps repair damage and adds shine. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Method: peel the banana and blend it until smooth. Add olive oil and lemon juice. Mix well. Apply the mixture to your hair, covering from roots to ends. Leave it on for 30 minutes and wash off with a gentle shampoo. Section 4. Additional tips for hair care, 200 words. In addition to DIY hair masks, there are several other steps you can take to further improve the health and appearance of your hair. 1. Limit heat styling. Whenever possible, try to minimize the use of heat styling tools. Excessive heat can lead to damage and breakage, so opt for heat-free styling methods or use a heat protectant. Spray before styling. 2. Protect your hair from UV radiation. When spending time outdoors, protect your hair from the harmful effects of UV radiation by wearing a hat or using a UV protective hair product. 3. Avoid overwashing. Washing your hair every day can strip away its natural oils, leading to dryness and damage. Try to wash your hair every 2 to 3 days, and use a sulfate-free shampoo to avoid harsh C. Chemicals. 4. Trim regularly. Regular trims are essential to get rid of split ends and maintain the health of your hair. Aim for a trim every 8 to 12 weeks to keep your hair looking fresh and prevent breakage. 5. Eat a healthy diet. A balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins is crucial for healthy hair growth. Include foods such as salmon, nuts, eggs, and leafy greens in your diet to nourish your hair from within. By following these extra tips, along with incorporating DIY hair masks into your routine, you can achieve and maintain healthy and beautiful hair.